In today's video, I'm going to show you how to block ads in Chrome on YouTube using a simple browser extension. This is a quick and easy way to remove annoying pre-roll ads, mid-roll ads, and even banner ads while you watch videos in Google Chrome. If you're tired of waiting through ads every time you open YouTube, this guide is for you. And before we get started, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more easy tech tutorials just like this one. Alright, let's jump right in. First, open Google Chrome on your computer. Once Chrome is open, you'll want to head over to the Chrome Web Store. You can do that by typing Chrome Web Store into the search bar, or by going directly to the store in your browser. The Chrome Web Store is where you can find trusted extensions that add extra features to Chrome, including ad blocking tools. Now, in the Chrome Web Store, use the search bar to look for a reputable extension. Some of the most popular options include Adblock for Chrome, Ghostery, or Adblock Plus. These are well-known extensions that many people use to help block ads on websites and on YouTube. It's always a good idea to choose a trusted extension with good reviews and a strong reputation, so you know you're installing something reliable. Once you find the extension you want, click on it to open the extension page. Here you'll see more information about what it does, user ratings, and any details about permissions. After you've confirmed it's the one you want, click Add to Chrome. Chrome will then ask you to confirm the installation. This is normal because the browser needs your permission before adding any extension. Go ahead and click the confirmation prompt to finish installing the extension. After that, the extension will be added to Chrome and should start working automatically in the background. In most cases, you don't need to change any advanced settings. The ad blocker will begin removing many types of ads on YouTube, including pre-roll ads before videos, mid-roll ads during videos, and banner ads around the page. At this point, you can open YouTube and test it out. Start playing a video and see how the extension performs. Depending on the extension you choose and the way YouTube updates its system, the results may vary a little. But this is one of the easiest ways to reduce ads while browsing in Chrome. If you ever want to manage the extension later, you can go to the Chrome menu, open Extensions, and turn it off, adjust its settings, or remove it completely. And that's it. You now know how to block ads in Chrome on YouTube using a simple extension. It only takes a few steps, and once it's set up, it works automatically in the background to make your viewing experience a lot smoother. If this tutorial helped you out, please give the video a like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss another useful guide. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.